If one of your automations is creating as much work as it saves, you're not alone, and it's probably for one of 5 reasons. When you first notice the problem, the instinct is to patch the visible pain point. You might adjust a spreadsheet formula, tweak a prompt, or fix a bot. But that fix is likely to create an additional thing that you have to monitor. Then, instead of saving time, you end up babysitting the automation itself. Usually, this means that the workflow was never clear enough to automate. These are the 5 places to look first. Starting with number 5, you automated something that depends on judgment calls you didn't clearly define. Number 4, the data format keeps changing and the script doesn't know how to handle it. 3, you automated the easy part and now have a flood of low priority outputs to review. 2, there's no guardrail, so failures pass undetected. And number 1, you're using AI to run the job every time instead of using AI once to build the tool. Last month, a client asked us to look at their automation. They had 8 Amazon stores, a browser bot, hundreds of worksheets stitched with VLOOKUP, and they knew that their numbers were often inaccurate. They had pieced their system together over the period of a year and were troubleshooting it almost every day. So we replaced the browser bot and the worksheet stitching with a database fed directly from Amazon APIs. And on their end, the main spreadsheet still worked the same way, but now it pulled from the one clean source instead of from hundreds of fragile worksheets. The big win was that they no longer worry about the system and started trusting the numbers. It's a good example of why you should pick one automation that's creating extra work right now, and then ask which of the 5 problems you're actually dealing with before you try to improve it.